Hello everyone, my name is Tang Yifong and I'm a computer science student at Taylor's University, Malaysia. My specialized project is in the field of artificial intelligence.
안녕하세요. My name is Hamgyal. I have studied to major about automotive engineering and software at a Kookmin University in Korea.
你好, I'm Lim Yang-jun. I'm a final year student in Information Technology major at Nanyang Polytechnic in Singapore.
I've participated in many training and mentoring activities which are top-notch as we learn from some of the best in the industry. What strikes me the most is that not only my mentor, but people at higher levels like board of director or project manager also pay attention to our career growth a lot.
The cool surprise of joining this program is to experience Vietnam like a true local. Based on this experience, I can say it's not your usual internship. It's a cultural adventure.
FPT Software, to me, feels like my second home. It is a place that houses a caring and friendly community. For instance, I am able to get along with everyone in my project team very quickly. Whenever I face challenges in my work, they are willing to guide and assist me.
This program has provided me with a chance to learn and work with C, C++, and Java, which are essential for working with embedded systems and IoT. Now, I feel well prepared for the real world upon graduation, as these skills are highly relevant and in demand in this technological field.
I'm very excited about the prospects of continuing my journey with FPT Software, a company that values growth and innovation. Looking ahead, my plan is to explore further AI career development opportunities within FPT, particularly in Malaysia, where I can contribute my skills and technical knowledge to the team.
Let's start your global career with FPT Global Internship program.